Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 2x plus 3y plus xy is equals to 12 where x and y both belongs to positive integer and we have to find the value of x and y. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I am going to add 6 to both sides. Now I can write this as 2x plus xy plus 3y plus 6 is equals to 18. Now, if I'll take x as common from first two terms, so 2 plus y, and if I'll take 3 as common, so y plus 2 is equals to 18. So 2 plus y and y plus 2 is same thing, so I can take y plus 2 as common. So x plus 3 is equals to 18. Now the factors of 18 are, we can write 18 as 9 times 2 or 3 times 6. 1 times 18 and 18 times 1 also exist, but they give us negative value. And here x and y belongs to positive integer. So we'll substitute some values by one and then check our set aside values. So first, if I'll put x plus 3, so it is greater than or equals to 3. So x plus 3 is equals to, first I'll put equals to 9, then x plus 3 is equals to 3, then x plus 3 is equals to 6. Because if I'll put x plus 3 is equals to 2, it gives us negative answer and it does not exist. So from here, the value of x is 6. From here, the value of x is 0. And from here, the value of x is 3. Now, comes to y case, y plus 2 is equals to 2, y plus 2 is equals to 6, and y plus 2 is equals to 3. From this, the value of y is 0. From here, the value of y is 4, and from here, the value of y is 1. So the existing values of x and y are x is 6, 0, 3, and while y is 0, 4, 1. That satisfied this equation. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.